Hey, what's up? So I've been having this issue in my car where I try and go and turn on. Right now, the key is in the on position. And what happened is that this check engine light will stay on. This S3 light will just continuously blink, and I'll just blink and blink and blink. I go and try and crank the car up. It'll just crank and crank, but it will not start up. So I've looked around. Some people have told me, hey, it's probably transmission solenoids. Other people have told me, oh, it's your fuel pump relay that's going bad, something like that. But what I have noticed here is that if we go down here, I got a little mirror set up. I'm going to show you the codes that it's giving off. And you can see there in the upper, or on your left, you can see that the TCM is giving off some codes there. It's blinking. So yeah, it's giving off those codes down there. I think I saw maybe a 2, a 3, 7, a 8, and I think maybe a 12. So yeah, those are the codes that it's giving off. But yeah, so the issue is that I'll take really short trips or something. I'll just go down the store and I'll turn off the car, and I'll try to turn it back on, and this check engine light will stay on. This S3 light will keep blinking. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. That's the issue I've been having. So yeah, if maybe this has happened to you in your Integra, or maybe you have a friend that this happened to and they fixed it, or maybe you were able to fix it, just put a comment below and just say, hey dude, I had that same shit going on and I did this to it and it worked. That'd be really cool. I'd appreciate that. But yeah, so that's pretty much where it's at. Thank you for watching.